Hi, I'm Adam, one of the product managers here at ControlLogic. Today, we're going to have a look at how deep packet inspection is a critical part of cybersecurity in OT networks. Here we have a demo setup which includes a PC directly connected to a PLC running a tank level control program. You can see the incoming flow speed on the left and outgoing on the right. The tank level is shown via the lights in the center. A red light means it has overflown. We can see that the program is monitoring the multiple areas of a chemical bleeding system and automatically adjusting the motor speeds to maintain the desired tank level. Now we will insert a USB that will simulate an attack on the PLC. The USB seems harmless and nothing is found by our antivirus. The program is made specifically for the PLC we are using, and this is a targeted attack, much like the well-known Stuxnet worm. We see that the attack has been successful and the incoming flow rate has increased to its maximum speed. The tank level increases until it overflows and the damage has been done. Eventually we get an alarm, but it is too late to take action. Our program does not show any changes, as part of the attack was to stop communication to the PC. Now we have installed a Tofino in between our PC and the PLC. We have allowed only known traffic through the Tofino using deep packet inspection, which monitors not only the allowed protocols, but the registers and values as well. We will run the program again by inserting the USB. This time, the attack does not reach the PLC, as the Tofino was able to recognize that the packet was not allowed and prevented it from being forwarded. We see that the Tofino has logged the packet and blocked it, as the function code sent was not on the permitted function code list. The attack tries again, but is still not allowed. Tofino deep packet inspection provides an integral part of a true OT cybersecurity solution. It allows control over a network with little to no impact on the control system. For more information, visit us at controllogic.com.au or give us a call on 1800 557 705.